Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is sweet and spicy pork. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. This is a Chinese inspired pork dish that goes well with noodles or rice. And it has the added bonus of stopping your wife moaning about being hungry. Okay, the first thing we do is bring a pot of water to the boil, add the cubed pork and simmer for 5 minutes. When the 5 minutes are up, simply remove from the water and reserve. Next, heat the oil in a clean pan, add the ginger, garlic, chillies and star anise and fry off for about 30 seconds. Then when this is done, it's time to add in the sugar, vinegar, cooking wine, soy sauce and sweet chilli sauce, and thoroughly mix in. Then add salt and pepper to taste, add the pork back to the mixture and mix in well. I know you're hungry, food won't be long, I'm going as quick as I can. Then put the lid back on the pan and cook on a low heat until the pork is cooked through. While the pork is cooking, it's time to make the thickening agent. Just put a teaspoon of corn flour, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of vinegar and a splash of water in a bowl and mix together well. When you've prepared the thickening mixture, add to the pork, mix in and continue to cook until the sauce thickens. Then you're ready to serve. If you enjoyed this easy to cook and tasty pork dish, feel free to subscribe, share and like, and take a look at some of our other videos. Hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now. You can stop your whining now, food's ready. What do you mean, where's the rice? Oh, I didn't do any rice.